I have just gotten done plucking my frontal, and yeah, I used the beige OJ zigzag plucking method. And she's a YouTuber on she's a beauty YouTuber, and yeah, she's really cool. Y'all should check her out. Her name is Beige OJ. She is the one that taught me how to pluck the closure. I wish I had it before, but I didn't feel like filming it. Sorry guys, just being honest. I just wanted to get started on this wig. Get her over, get her done, you know. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm about to cut the lace. I have a business called imaginemeinnovations, where it comes pre-plucked. I already plucked it. Bleach knots. Let's see, have it. Make a little part. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Make a little part, and I'm gonna leave just enough to go over the tracks. And guys, this is just the frontal. I haven't done the back. Y'all can see that. This is the cap. Okay, mini curler. So both of those are heating up right now. And I have this wax stick right here. And I'm just gonna gel everything back. Well, not gel it, but wax it back. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Yeah. And this, guys, will help the part be more defined and help the flyaways. See it. You can go in portions, parts, whatever. I'm trying to get it on there. Okay. Y'all can see. And don't add too much because it can make it a little light. And just back, push it back. Right, I'm gonna come back and do it forward. So I'm just smoothing it. And I'm gonna go in on the other side. I can see that. I hope this is showing up good on camera. Just comb it through. Hey guys, this is a 13x4 closure, lace frontal closure. Okay. Guys, I'm doing this from an angle, so excuse me if I keep turning it towards me. I cut the lace myself because some people don't know how to cut lace properly, and they end up, you know, kind of having floating lace. Too much lace can be a bad thing. Okay, I'm just, not too much. And then I'm gonna do a little bit down here. Y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see this. So, take a little bit off. You can use a rat tail comb, but I'm just using this because that's what I want to use right now. Okay, so that's basically the baby hairs right there. I know they don't look like baby hairs right now, but they're going to. Just wait for me. And yeah, take a little bit more out of the top. And I want the one towards the front to look a little thicker. And space it and add a little bit more. Okay. That's what we're working with. And then I am going to, let's see. I might add some wispy, what do they call them? Where you add, it's not baby hairs, but it's like it's like, what do they call them? Sideburns. I might add some sideburns. We'll see. And yeah, I might add a little bit of a sideburn action. Right now, 3 sideburn, baby hair, longer baby hair. You know what I'm saying? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, go kind of cut it at an angle, and then this one cut at an angle. And then these baby hairs, I'm gonna keep them a little bit longer. Okay. And then go on the other side. And you can cut upwards if you want to. And this is the sideburn. Now I'm going to take my comb, my curler, and just do what it do. So here we go. It is on, ooh, that's too high. 380, it's supposed to be. I'm just gonna curl this under. See, ain't that pretty? Just need it. And this is a 1/2 inch, I think. Curl, 1/2 inch. That's even coming really clutch for doing baby hairs. Okay. Y'all see that? Ain't that pretty? Yeah. And then do the other side. The end. Let's show it to you. And just gonna do this for the other hair. Okay, it's not bad. These are the best baby hairs I've ever done so far. Yay! Okay, this is a little crazy. Don't worry about that. I might make this a little shorter. So we're done with the baby hair, all right? And then I want to go to the front of the wig. Get this little thingamajig. That rhymes. I'm gonna wrap her it hard, though. Seriously, I'm gonna wrap her. And then I'm gonna take my comb, my hot comb. But I've gotten this far. I'm just sewing. And guys, at first I used brown hair for the bottom of the wig. And then I use like highlighted orange hair, orange and brown hair. And now I'm gonna use some burgundy hair. And guys, I tend to make the wig, I dye the bundles first in different colors. And then I come back in and just add them like in a pattern. So if I do orange, 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 then I'll do orange, burgundy, burgundy, yellow, 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 blonde, blonde, blonde. Then I'll come back up here and do the brown to match the frontal. Okay? So right now, I'm just gonna sew it on. And let's see. think I'm gonna do it on this side. So you just pull it through, and I use a curved needle, guys. In there. Come on. Not just, let me see if y'all can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and sew. Sew right here. And guys, I made the the thread really long, so excuse that. I didn't want there to not be enough, but apparently there's enough thread. And guys, I thread my needles separately from making the wigs, so probably days before I start making wigs, I thread about 40 needles. Okay, and I use some fabric to hold it up that's attached to the wall. Just like that. And yeah, and then if you want to, you can take this, take a T-pin, and put it on the side here. And guys, sometimes my wigs come like about 3 to 4 bundles. It just depends how I'm feeling, but a lot yet. So I just felt like doing the wig. Just woke up wanting to do a wig, so that's what I'm doing. As I make this wig, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Don't judge, just live.